This is the start coming up for the Cooters, and we have a beautiful start from C90. Just ignore what that's talking about. Two more Cooters coming towards us. Yeehaw! Don't they look beautiful? Yes, definitely you need a horn. There, they're coming in. Okay, non-Spinnaker division coming in with 30 seconds to go. We've looks like we're being lined up, but I think they're going to go down the line. One's been held out. Nice work, no barging, and they've taken the out. Well done, guys. That's awesome. 10 seconds to start. Line is currently clear. Clear start. Non-Spinnaker away. If you can do a quick numbers on that, that'd be great. I've got them on video anyway. So I'll call them out to you. 3828 4467 6852 9999 and 5063. We have Australia Day, Avalon, roughly 30 seconds to Spinnaker division start. We have a southerly running of about maybe 15 knots, mid-teens anyway. And boat's fair way away from the start line. Start in 20 seconds. Can you see the clock? You're good to count yourself in. I'm watching this way. So can you speak out loud when you
the countdown?
Yeah. Keep talking.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Clear start. Do a boat check. 5572. Oh.